Hey again, it's Ian here with Lesson. And today we're going to take some of what we learned about metafields in our early tutorial to explore even more ways you can customize the functionality and appearance of your Shopify store. As a quick recap, metafields are extra data fields in your Shopify admin that can store additional information and content for products, collections, blogs, and pages. Dynamic sources are what connects metafields to templates and sections. When added to the theme editor, they automatically display metafield content for specific products and pages that use the same template. To get started, let's look at how we can display unique information pop-ups on your product pages, such as a size chart, by using metafields. This setup could also be used to display care guides or shipping details in a pop-up modal. The first thing we'll want to do is create a page reference metafield. To do that, we're going to click on Settings and then into Custom Data. From there, we're going to click on Products, and then we're going to click on Add a Definition. We're going to name our metafield Size Guide. Now we're going to click on Select Type. We're going to scroll down to find the Page option. And then we're going to click Save. Now, from your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, and then Pages. This is where you'll set up your pages for unique style guides. You'll see here in our Stiletto Chic demo shop that we've already got those pages set up for shoes and clothes. The information you see in this page is what will be dynamically shown once we link up the dynamic source in your theme. Go ahead and hit pause and set up your first page, and then come back and follow along when you're ready for the next step. Great, you're ready for the last step. Now open up your theme editor and navigate to the product page template where you want to display this information. For this example, I'm going to be using our default product template. Since we're using a size guide here, Stiletto has it built into the variant selector block so that you can have the pop-up text link into this section. Click into the variant selector block and then scroll down to where you see content. Hit select a page and select the page that has the size guide you'd like to use. We'll hit save up in the right, and now you'll see that our size guide is connected to our product page. It's important to note here that you'll want to create different product page templates for the different products that need unique size guides. For example, if you sell men's, women's, and children's clothing, which will all each have their respective sizing, you will need to have a product page template for each one of those. I've included a link in the video description on how to do this. If you want to display something other than sizes in a pop-up modal, Stiletto also includes the information pop-up block. This would allow you to drag and drop this block wherever you'd like within the product overview section to display things like care instructions or shipping details. Since we're on a roll here, let's take a look at one more way that metafields can help turn your product pages into a powerful sales tool. You'll see here on our product page for the tuck shoulder white tee that we've got a section under the gallery called Styled Together With. This is our complementary product block, and by combining it with metafields, you can display unique recommendations for each of your products to help boost conversions. Now that you're a Metafield Pro, you'll be able to get this set up in no time. We're going to head back to Settings and then Custom Data. We're going to click on Products again, and we're going to hit Add a Definition. We'll give this new metafield a title like Related Products. And then from the list of options for selecting the type, we're going to go with Products. And then we're going to click on List of Products and then hit Save. You'll now see if we scroll to the bottom of our product listing that there's a new section called Related Products. If we click into this empty field, we'll give the option to choose selected products that we'd like to promote with this item. Select a few items, and then Add, and hit Save. It's time for the final step. You'll need to go back to your theme editor and navigate to the product template where you'd like to add this block. We're going to want to click Add a Block. And we're going to select the complementary products. You can name this something like frequently bought together with, pairs well with, or anything that suits your brand. So for ours here, I'm going to do styled together with. Now let's connect our custom product lists. Scroll down to where you see select products under custom product lists. Instead of clicking this button, we're going to click on this icon just up to the right. This is what connects our dynamic sources. From there, we can choose our related products metafield that we created in the previous step. And there you have it. Way to go for sticking it out this long. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to see how you put this to use in your store. As always, never hesitate to reach out to our support team if you run into any questions. Until next time.